Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel brings you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video covers what to do when your Android phone screen won't auto-rotate. Here is how one Android user described the issue in a forum post. My Android phone's auto-rotate feature has stopped working. I was using it just a few days ago, and it worked perfectly fine back then. But today, I discovered that no matter what I do, the screen simply won't rotate automatically. Can anyone help me fix this issue where my Android phone's auto-rotate isn't working? We understand that you might be facing the exact same problem right now, which is why you've landed here. If you find that your Android phone's auto-rotate isn't working, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why this happens and how to fix it so you can get your device working properly again. Cause 1. Auto-rotate is disabled. The solution: check your settings and enable auto-rotate. If you accidentally disabled the auto-rotate feature without realizing it, you might mistakenly assume the feature is broken when you try to rotate your screen. Therefore, to fix an Android phone that isn't auto-rotating, the first step is to check whether the auto-rotate function is actually enabled. Here is how to do it. Swipe down from the top of your phone screen, then swipe down again from the top to fully expand the Quick Settings panel. In this panel, look for the Portrait button. If this button is not highlighted or active, it indicates that the auto-rotate feature is currently turned off. In this case, simply tap the button to turn it on. Once enabled, the button's status will change to Auto-Rotate, and this should resolve the issue of your Android phone's auto-rotate not working. Cause 2. Software glitch. The solution: restart your device. Running an Android phone continuously for extended periods can sometimes lead to minor software glitches. The best way to clear up these software errors is to simply restart your Android phone. Clearing these glitches may very well get your Android screen rotating again. Therefore, restarting your device is definitely worth a try. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on your screen. Then, tap the Restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically reboot and return to the home screen. Alternatively, you can select the Power Off icon or button from the power menu to shut down your phone completely. Wait for about a minute, and then turn it back on. If the issue was merely a temporary glitch, restarting your phone should help resolve it. Finally, try rotating the screen again. If the issue, that your Android phone won't auto-rotate, is caused by a software glitch, a simple restart should resolve it. Cause 3. Caused by a third-party app. The solution is to boot into safe mode. If the auto-rotate feature stopped working after you downloaded a specific third-party application, that app may be the culprit. If a third-party app is malfunctioning or has compatibility issues, it can prevent your Android phone screen from auto-rotating. The best way to determine if an app is the source of the problem is to boot your Android phone into safe mode. Safe mode runs only the system's built-in applications and disables all third-party apps. If the screen rotates normally while in safe mode, then a specific application is indeed causing the issue. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously until the recovery mode menu appears. From the menu options, use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select safe mode. Your Android phone will then boot up in safe mode. If a safe mode watermark appears at the bottom of the screen, and your Android phone rotates normally while in this mode, it confirms that the auto-rotation issue is being caused by a specific application. To fix the Android screen auto-rotation not working issue, locate the problematic application and uninstall it. Once finished, press and hold the power button, then tap Restart to reboot your phone back into normal mode. After the restart is complete, your Android phone should return to normal operation. Cause 4. Interrupted or missed system updates. The solution is to update the system software. If your Android phone's operating system version is outdated, if a system update was interrupted, or if the auto-rotate feature stopped working immediately after an update, you may be facing this issue. In such cases, simply updating your system software may be enough to resolve the problem. If you notice that your screen no longer auto-rotates after an update, check again to see if any newer updates are available. If there are, install them immediately. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings, scroll down to find and tap on System or Software Update. If an update is available, the system will prompt you to download the software package. Once the update has downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then restart. Finally, check once more to see if the issue persists. Cause 5. Software corruption. Solution: reset the device. If none of the troubleshooting steps mentioned above work, another possibility is software corruption. The definitive solution for resolving software corruption is to reset your Android device. This method can effectively fix an Android phone screen that refuses to auto-rotate. However, please be aware that performing a reset will delete all content on your phone, including apps, contacts, photos, and more. If necessary, please back up any important data beforehand. Let's get started. First, turn off your Android device. Next, connect your phone to a computer using a USB cable. Then, enter recovery mode to address the auto-rotate issue on your Android phone. The specific steps for entering recovery mode vary depending on the phone brand. Below are the steps for several common brands. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, simultaneously press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option, then use the power button to select it. Finally, select Yes if you are using a Google Pixel phone. Simultaneously press and hold the power button and volume down button until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode, then use the power button to select it. When the Android robot icon with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume buttons and power button to select the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, simultaneously press and hold the power button and volume up button until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Finally, select Yes. Once the reset process is complete, your device will restart. It will revert to its original state, just as it was when you first purchased it. Finally, check once more to see if the issue with the Android screen failing to auto-rotate has been resolved. Cause 6. Hardware failure. Solution. Seek assistance from a service center. If even a factory reset fails to resolve the auto-rotate issue on your Android phone, the problem may stem from an internal hardware failure. To further diagnose the issue, we recommend taking your phone to an official brand service center. Their technicians can perform a thorough inspection and repair the underlying hardware fault, preventing your Android phone screen from auto-rotating. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you Android phone won't auto-rotate, fix issue, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.